Hello everyone. Today we are diving into an insightful discussion on training and development metrics. These metrics play a crucial role in enhancing individual and organizational success. This session will focus on understanding what training and development entails, their importance, and how we can measure their effectiveness using different metrics. By the end of this video, you will have a clear picture of the concept of training and development, its importance, and how these metrics align with organizational goals that impact the business outcomes. What is training and development? Training and development are not just about teaching new skills. They represent a continuous process that empowers employees to grow along with the organization. It's about cultivating a learning culture where employees feel motivated to stay ahead in their roles. Importantly, it is not just knowledge acquisition. It is about translate learning into success for both individuals and the organization. Importance of metrics in training and development. This visual represents the key benefits as you can see. It's all about creating a robust, efficient and growth-driven workforce. Let's break it down into 5 key components depicted here. The first one is in the top right corner, that is attracts and retains top talent. Training and development serves as a magnet for top talent. Employees today are not just looking for a paycheck, they want growth opportunities. When organizations invest in their people, it not only attracts the best minds, but also ensures they stay for a long haul. Building a loyal and committed workforce. You can locate this in the bottom right corner. Think about this. Wouldn't you feel loyal to a company that invests in your growth? Training fosters commitment by showing employees that the organization cares about their development, creating a sense of belonging and trust. In the bottom center, you can see providing long-term benefits. Training isn't just about immediate results, it's about sustainability. It equips employees with skills that ensure long-term productivity and aligns their growth with the strategic goals of the organization. A win-win for everyone. In the bottom left corner, you can see enhancing employees' performance. Performance improvement is the direct outcome of effective training. It helps employees refine their skills, improve efficiency and stay competitive, which contributes to the organizational success. In the top left corner, you can see utilizing resources efficiently. Finally, training ensures optimal utilization of resources, be it time, skills or tools. Employees who are well trained know how to use resources effectively, minimizing the waste and maximizing the output. Let's explore some key metrics of training and development. The first one is participation and engagement metrics. Participation metrics track how many employees attend and complete the training programs, while engagement metrics assess their involvement during the sessions. These metrics are the training participation rate. It is the percentage of employees who attend the training programs compared to those eligible. Completion rate. It is the proportion of employees who complete a training program versus those who enrolled. Engagement score. It is the employee interaction levels during training, measured via surveys, feedback or system logs. The next one is training effectiveness metrics. These metrics evaluate whether the training objectives were met. They often involve pre- and post-training assessments to measure knowledge retention and skill enhancement. These metrics are knowledge retention, post-training assessments to measure the knowledge employees retain over time. Skills acquired, it is the assessment of practical skills gained and applied in the workplace. Employee feedback scores. It is the rating from participants on training content, delivery and relevance. Next comes the efficiency metrics. Efficiency metrics analyzes the cost effectiveness of training, such as time and resources required to train employees versus the outcomes achieved. These include cost per employee trained. It is the total training cost divided by the number of participants. Training hours per employee. It is the average number of hours spent on training within a specified period. Training delivery efficiency. It is the comparison of training delivery methods, example online versus in person, to determine which is the most cost effective and engaging. Next comes the business impact metrics. These metrics focus on how training translates into measurable outcomes like improve productivity, better customer satisfaction or increased revenue, like Performance improvement, it is the measurement of changes in employee performance before and after training. Employee productivity, it is the analysis of productivity levels in tasks directly linked to the training. Reduction in error rates, it is the decrease in errors or mistakes in processes that were the focus of training. Next comes the return on investment of training programs. Return on investment is very, very critical. It measures the financial return on investment in training program. For example, calculating the payback period, assess how long it takes to cover the training cost. It can be measured by using the formula net benefits of training, that is monetary, divided by the training cost multiplied by 100. Employee development metrics. These metrics focus on the growth and progression of employees after training, such as promotions, skill acquisition, or readiness for new roles. These matrices are internal promotion rate. It is the percentage of promotions awarded to employees who completed the training programs. Career progression, it is the speed and extent of employees' advancement post-training. Employee retention post-training, it is a correlation between the training participation and reduced turnover. Next comes the training technology metrics. With the growing use of digital learning tools, these metrics evaluate the adoption, efficiency, and user experiences of training technologies. These matrices are learning management system, which is commonly known as LMS metrics, ensures logins, time spent, module completion rates, and quiz scores. Digital adoption rate, it is the percentage of employees who adopt new tools, technologies introduced through training. And alignment with organizational goals is the last but not the least. These matrices assign whether the training initiatives are strategically aligned with the organizational goals, ensuring long-term value. These matrices are competency gap analysis. It is the measuring of difference between acquired and actual competencies post-training. Alignment score, it is the degree to which training objectives align with the organizational goals, often captured via feedback and performance reviews. Now let's take a moment to reflect. How would you ensure that a training program is effective? You may pause the video and note down your answers. Once done, resume the video. To answer this question, think about the factors like post-training feedback, practical implementation, ROI, or even business impact metrics. This reflection can guide us in designing better training programs. Coming to data sources in HR analytics for training, it includes survey and feedback forms for participant feedback and engagement metrics, LMS analytics for efficiency and effectiveness tracking, performance management system for business impact and ROI measurement, and lastly, HRIS for participation and retention and career progression analysis. To summarize, training and development metrics are vital tools for ensuring the effectiveness and alignment of training programs with organizational goals. By integrating these metrics into HR analytics, we can design impactful learning experience, allocate resources efficiently, and drive both employee and organizational growth. Thank you for your kind attention.